Hello. Welcome back. Make sure this is on because I sort of recorded one earlier and sort of left the mic off the whole way through, but also I forgot to press record when I cut it. I stopped it recording, but I forgot to start it back up. That was pretty fun. So we're gonna play some Heavy Rain. I've never even heard of it till a few days ago. Thought this looked good, and I think it's like a campaign game, so that's quite good. This be a Thursday slot now, rather than Black Ops. Anyway, difficulty, I play them quite regularly, I'm familiar with the wireless controller. Yeah, we'll do that, that's probably like the hardest difficulty. Okay, Sony, Computer Entertainment. If you say for the players in this, then give us cross-platform, because that's what we want. Quantic Dream. I dream of crossplay between consoles. Saturday, 11:22 AM. Jesus, that's early. But if you're just woken up, that's really late. Oh my god, you're still asleep, you lazy bugger. Oh my god. Honestly. I'm awake on Saturday by like 6:30. My god. Oh. Here we go. Why is it called Heavy Rain but there's no rain outside? I'm calling clickbait. I am calling clickbait on this. To interact, make the kid move the right stick. There we go. Okay, please get them changed. Please. Please, yes, please. It's too much revealingness. How's he sweaty already? Yeah, there we go, and then... Oh my god, what the... We have to hold R... No, where we go? Where we go? Okay. Oh my goodness. Anytime you can listen to what your character thinks by pressing down hold not L2.
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
What I would do, no matter what, even if I've got 20 minutes before work, I will get breakfast before I do anything because I am hungry. Yes, to walk I have to press R2. I'll hold an R2 and obviously gone that.
I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Yeah, so you have to hold an R2 and then you move the right stick. Wherever direction you want to move. So this is different. Oh, there's a bird. I was going to say where it's its beak. I couldn't see its beak at first. Okay, let's try find this bathroom, shall we? Okay, bathroom's definitely got to be this one. No, it's got to be. I mean, it's a tiny little... Are you kidding me? That is the tiniest bath. That's actually a pretty big bathroom. Oh, thank goodness they didn't show the pee stream. But why are we watching him pee? This is so weird. Watching him pee. If someone watched me pee, I would be extremely worried. And he left the toilet seat up. He actually went and done that, didn't he? He actually left the toilet seat up. What a scum. Okay, so this is... There we go, let's go outside in my... let's go outside in the old boxer shorts, Hiya neighbour, don't worry about me. Just leave that open, let people come in, let some air in. I don't know, is this the bathroom? Here we go. We need the shower. Turn your head to see what actions are available. Don't you dare show... No. Oh dear. It showed off some bits. Oh, for goodness sake. Oh no, I'm going to put a sensor around that. Oh no. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Okay, please don't show any fronts stuff, please. I beg of you. Shake it. Shake the controller. There we go. There we go. Oh, my earpiece fell out. There we go. Oh, thank goodness he put. Thank goodness. I seriously just put another pair. I mean, it is normal to, put another pair of boxes on, but. Come on. At least take some clothes. At least get some clothes. He's got to brush his teeth. I mean. I've got to shake it up and down too. There we go. Perfect. Had to brush his teeth. Now you've got to brush your teeth twice a day. You know. I'm taking care of him. When this type of symbol appears, unfold the movement slowly with the right stick. There we go, we're gonna shave them all up. There we go, gotta do it slowly. Oh, it's getting so close to his face. He's not even shaved. He's literally just taken 2 hairs off, pretty much. There we go. He's like, I'm looking beautiful. Look at my freshly shaved face that I never actually shaved. Look at that. I want to switch angles when use them. Okay, so I can switch cameras. Okay, there we go. Perfect. And then, please put some clothes on, thank you, at last. I think he just likes walking around the house in his underwear, honestly. Has he got a shirt? Good, he's got a shirt. I'd be extremely worried if he didn't put a shirt on. So he's got a button-up shirt with a collar and some jeans. Is it Gucci? That's the main question. Is it Gucci? And other shoes, Louis Vuitton. No, that's handbags, I think. I don't know. There we go. Perfect. Let's go. When this character's thoughts change when I can't remember how to check their thoughts. Oh dear. Perfect, there we go. Oh, there's a cake in there. There's some orange juice. Gotta shake that bad boy well. Perfect. He'd be choking on that drink. I would just eat that cake. Honestly, I would just go up to the cake and eat it. I'd be like, it's my cake now. Just look around. Oh, is he watching children? You actual weirdo. Go away before somebody sees you. Are they grapes? I don't know what they are. So, if someone invited me to eat random food, I would not. Okay, you didn't even turn it on. Okay. That is normal. I'm just gonna watch him, play. What else can we do? I mean, he hasn't eaten yet. That would be a good step to take, really. No, we don't need to go in the garden. No, of course not. Let's open up this door, allow. Let's go. Oh, this is a massive old garden. And why have they got swords? Why have they got swords? Oh my, he's actually doing it. I love this dude. He is doing it. He's like, I don't care. If he goes in this swing, oh actually, this will be amazing. Um. I don't know. Let's go back inside. Oh no, there's a dragonfly thing here. I think you throw it. Yeah, there it goes. It'd be funny if it got lost and it's like, oh. Oh no, I didn't get lost unfortunately. Oh, that's a shame. Right, let's go back in the house now, you know. Leave the door open. So any possible intruders can just walk in. No, we've got to bear that in mind. Let's get a book on our buildings. Let's go a building book. Let's go. This is looking good. Don't you dare good, he's not ripping the page. That's good. He's mining up buildings like, oh, this interests me so much. Looking at buildings, architecture. Where's the TV? Oh yeah. Oh. All these tunes. What else do we need? Do we need a bookshelf at all? Do we need... Let's go out the front door. So many people with their families, it's just like, I mean, the back door and the upstairs door is open, so no. It's not really much protecting him. Right, we're gonna watch some TV because if I can get around that, okay. Oh, okay, you just walk down here, okay, there we go. Take it slowly. Perfect. Change the channel. No, I want to put the TV on. Oh, someone's back. Okay, they're back. I just had to walk around the whole time. So, does he have a job or anything?
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over.
Oh.
So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years old. That's not exactly grown up, but you're getting there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ah, this kid's going places.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
There we go.
Never mind, I'll do it.
I'm just
Okay, I just wasn't thinking.
that useful guy. There we go.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day?
Okay.
Managed to get any work done?
Not really. I tried. But
Work?
I didn't
What
really nail
work?
it. I only get inspired because we're supposed to be presenting the plans to the clients next month.
What work?
I've got a billion things to do.
I'm
It'll never
confused.
be ready before Jason's pals arrive. Can you please help me? There should be plates in the living room cupboard.
Living room cupboard.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Where is the cupboard? Wait, why the plates in the living room? That's all I'm gonna say. Oh, the plates meant to be in the kitchen.
Hey, Ethan. I thought I asked you to take care of the plates.
I forgot. They're in the living room cupboard, right?
Yeah, they haven't moved since last time I asked.
Okay, it's the presents. Where is the living room? Ah, here. It's the dining room. Oh my god, this is so different.
That door's always sticking. Give it a big tug.
Perfect. So sort of close. I mean, in England we call this the dining room.
Don't worry, I wouldn't want to be responsible for a diplomatic incident with your mother.
Perfect. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we are. Perfect. We are getting this done. Is it just us four sitting here? I thought there was friends coming. Anything else? I'm just chilling here, just like. Okay, don't get too handsy.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars, but I find you very attractive.
No, don't start this. Don't, no, no, no. Oh, for goodness sake. No. You've got your kids' party. You've got your kids' party. Please focus on that. Oh, for goodness sake. Get focused on the party. Move on with the party.
But now's not the right time for it.
Thank you, someone sensible.
I've really got to focus on this party.
Priorities. I see. No
Continue
food.
this little conversation later.
Oh no.
Can I do anything to help?
No thanks. I should be able to manage.
Okay.
Did you find the present for Jason?
Yeah, I picked it up from the store this morning.
That's
Oh,
good.
lucky. It was the last one in stock.
That's good.
Jason looks happy.
Yeah. It's hard to believe he's 10 years old today. It seems like only yesterday we were flirting in high school.
Oh dear, high school sweethearts.
When are Jason's friends coming?
Okay.
Oh, about 2 p.m.? Oh god, I hope I'll be able to keep the situation under control. Not like last year.
What happened last year? Okay, now I've got to go find them kids. Actually, no, I'm going to be the useful guy and just sit upstairs, you know, just... I'm just going to go upstairs, move like I'm being controlled. There we go. Perfect. I'm going to go look in the other rooms, because I didn't quite look in this room over here. Or do the kids share a room? I haven't shared a room in years. If I actually quite pressed it. Yeah, let's actually let's try it. Oh, I'm good at this. Look, I am brilliant at that. Okay, let's go see the kids, see if we can murder them. I mean, see them on his birthday. I mean, we wouldn't want any children to die here. That would be very unfortunate. I mean, at a birthday party, of all things, that's like the worst place you want a child to die. And you got to carry that for the rest of your life. Oh, I opened this door, so that's good.
That's it, I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat, because your friends are going to be here soon.
Okay, we promise, Mom.
For 5 minutes, okay.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Me first.
Well,
Alright, Jason, let's do the helicopter.
here's the birthday kids after all, so... Oh dear. There we go. Oh my god, my arms are getting tired. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. He's the birthday kid, you know, gotta treat him.
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Okay.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Okay, so that's you got to move him, okay. Perfect. Here we are. This is...
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Oh dear.
Be careful, hang on.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's the Hulk. Oh, look at him lifting up 2 kids. Look at him.
Oh,
Add another one, I'll take him down. Oh, jeez.
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes. Evil.
Is this foreshadow?
surrender, weakling. Say your prayer.
Come on, Jason. Hurry up.
Give up. I am victorious.
Huh.
Oh.
This is good.
Whoa.
This is fairly modest.
Oh, that's gonna be
Oh,
Continue.
oh, here's one, here's one. It's gonna be a horrible person and beat the child. Or he's gonna let the child win and be weak. No, I'm just,
Kids, you coming in?
she's just sitting there like, why? Why did you teach him this? So let's go in here, you know, let's,
Sean? Lunch is ready.
I'll go get him.
wasn't he just outside? Like, he was outside with me. Wow. So that's the kid's room. He's not up here. He must be in the garden still. Oh no, here he is.
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin. He's dead. He's dead and it's all my fault.
Oh.
No, it's not, Sean. Of course it's not your fault.
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
You know, Sean,
He was alive literally like 15 minutes ago.
even if you don't want him to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
I know life's not fair, kid. Move on. Could be worse. And on that note, I'm going to end it here. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, leave a big thumbs up. I'll see you next time. See ya.